This fly use its sticking legs on collecting the powdery substance on the binunga leaves. The way how he cleans its feet is the way of collecting the powdery substance that stick into the sole of its feet. The way how he clean their feet, because their feet have just like sucking legs that sucks on the powdery substance that stick into I'm just trying to analyze its movement, the way of collecting foods. Look at that. He is now cleaning, and there are those powdery substance that is being passed to its mouth, collected by its mouth. Every time he roams around the surface of the leaves, the powdery substance stick into the sole of its feet, and he tries to clean it by passing it to its mouth, as they have a powerful sucking legs that stick anywhere they want to stay.